Are you sure that when he applied pressure to Miss Millane's neck, Mr. intended to cause Miss Millane bodily injury that was more than minor in nature? An injury is something more than transitory. It doesn't need to be long-lasting. It must cause discomfort or interfere with the health or enjoyment of life. Rendering someone unconscious amounts to injury. Are you sure? When he applied pressure to Miss Millane's neck, Mr. consciously ran the risk Miss Millane would die as a result of his actions. In other words, knowing there was a real risk of death, he nevertheless carried on applying pressure to Miss Millane's neck. If yes, Mr. is guilty of murder. Most importantly, your task is to reach a unanimous verdict. That is a verdict on which each of you individually subscribes. First, you'll be asked whether the jury is unanimously agreed on its verdict. After confirming that, you'll be asked whether you find the defendant guilty or not guilty of the murder of Grace Millane. If your verdict is guilty of murder, then nothing more of you is required. If your verdict is not guilty of murder, then you'll be asked whether you find Mr. guilty or not guilty of the manslaughter of Grace Millane.